All right, I stand corrected. It's not just that. Okay, so I'm going to show you when the two pieces of extrusion line up. I'll see if I can put this on camera so you can see. For this to be leveled just right, there is a tiny bit of play in the middle part of the extrusion. So if you move it back and forth, you see how much play there is? It barely moves. Okay? That's how it's supposed to be. Right where this has to hook up at, let's get that back in place. There's the problem. Way too much gap. So it was more of a tightening issue than anything. I mean, it didn't help that it was also sitting on that cover, but there shouldn't be that much play in between the two sides. And you can't even tell. I've looked at this thing from the side. You can't even tell a difference without actually measuring it on how flat this is to how flat this is. But this has a massive difference. This center is a lot higher than what it should be. But you can't even see it by eye. Yeah, it's nuts. But we're going to get this thing all sorted. Anyway,